Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Ron again from wapinas.com, and we're doing a quick unboxing of an in-ear gaming earphones. Brand name is Senda, model name is SDH09, which we bought from Shopee for 315 pesos. Okay? Lang, we just saw it and I said to myself, I think it's a nice thing that we can try. I can probably pair this with the V8 or the X7 or my F8 that's coming in sound card soon for any of our online stuff, right? Okay, so according to the box here, it's a dual microphone design. As you can see, there's one that you can put here, and then there's another inline mic that's supposed to be there. And the inline mic is supposed to activate once you remove the external mic. Okay, so we bought this in Shopee for 315 pesos only. Actually, there's a couple of other types of headset. This was one of the cheaper ones, so I decided to go for it. Okay, it uses an omnidirectional mic, so napunit. Nakikita pa, marinig pa rin the other people, ano. Okay, so it comes with a pouch where you can keep your headset when you're not using it. Extra ear loops with horns, extra earbuds, and there's a clip so that you can clip it to your clothes, I assume. Okay, jacks, I don't know why, maybe for old style PCs or desktops or laptops that use two-prong ports, 3.5mm ports for the headset. Okay, and here's the actual headset. Parang kulang. Okay, kulang siya. It's not there. There should be an external mic here, and there's nothing here. Okay, so there's the actual headset. There, it's in the bottom. Noob. Okay. So here's the microphone that you can attach to your headset. Let's see. Left and right. Looks like the external microphone connects to the left ear. Okay, just plug it in, and then there's a volume control here and a microphone button here also. Can you see it? So there's the volume control. It's a sliding one. There's a push button here. Single jack. Okay. As you can see, they're different, right? So you probably need one of these to connect to your laptop, and this probably goes to your phone. Okay, so we're gonna test it out now. Wait. Okay, so it actually works. I don't know if you can hear the music. Okay, so the earbuds actually are very comfortable in the ear. So we haven't tested the quality of the microphone, but looks like it's comfortable when you're wearing it. It's not heavy or restrictive like a standard headphone, right? So you can buy this at Shopee for 300 something pesos. Wait, 315 pesos in Shopee. Beep, 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 beep. So that's a quick unboxing of the in-ear gaming earphones from Senda. Thanks guys, bye!